And student, today we are going to see 2.4 excuses a skit. Let us see warming of activity, chit-chat activities from groups and chat about the following. First one, so do you came to school on time every day? If there is the positive answers, yes, I came to school on time. Negative, no, I don't come to school on time. Second, what do you feel when you are late? I feel ashamed when I late to school. Third ones, what action is taken in school on latecomers? In my schools, the actions are taken for the latecomers are the punishments given to latecomers in the various punishments like bend down, get round for school ground, like that. Fourth ones, do you give excuses for your late coming? Are these true or fake? Do you give excuses for your late coming? Yes, I give excuses for my late coming. Are they true or fake? They are true. Why is punctuality so important in life? The punctuality is so important in lives. If we want to achieve success in our life, there should be the punctuality in our life in every field. Enjoy the jokes. Here, the joke one has given to us. The first teacher and Asif between the joke between teacher and Asif. Teacher is asking Asif, why are you crawling into the class? Asif is answering, I am sorry teacher, but yesterday you warned me not to walk into the class late. So B1 teachers Sharwari, you are regularly late to school. Don't you feel ashamed? Why do you come to school so late? The Sarwari is giving the answer. I am sorry, madams, but on my way to school there is a road sign that says go slow, and ma'ams, you have instructed us to always follow what road signs says. Can you underline the words in the joke that were used as excuses for late coming? In that excuses, I am sorry teacher, but yesterday you warned me not to walk into the class late. These are the excuses in second. But on my way to school there is a road sign that says go slow. This is the excuses. Now discuss within groups and share some simple jokes about teachers and students. Try to write one or two such jokes in your own words in the above format. You may write though you in your own words the jokes. Reported speech second activity. Speech or dialogues can be reported in two ways, direct and indirect speech. When exact words of the speaker are reported, we call it direct speech. Direct speech or direct narrations. When we directly speak to the person, this is called the direct speech. When exact words of the speaker are not reported but just its contents, we call it indirect speech. The indirect speech means the speaker's words are not told as it is to the listener. This is spoken by the third persons. This is called indirect speech. Direct speech. Here Amar said, I shall come to meet you tomorrow, Sanket. This is the Amar's this is the speaker in that sentence, and this Amar is directly speaking to Sanket. The content is I shall come to meet you tomorrow, and there is no change in the content. So this is the direct speech. And indirect speech, Amar told Sanket that he would go to meet him the next day. Hmm? There is the third person is saying that Amar told Sanket that he would go to meet him the next day. There is the changes in the some words. So this is the indirect speech. Note down the changes you observe in the indirect speech. In the indirect speech, there is the changes in the change in reported verb said into told. In the reported verb said or reporting verb said, there is the change in the tense of the reporting verb, the told. So this is the change, first one. Second one, used that conjunctions in the indirect speech for the joining sentence. There is used the that conjunction. And third change in the sentence form of the tense, there is the change in the tense form of the sentence. So here has the shall. This I shall come to meet you tomorrow. There is the tense shall. The future tense, simple future tense became here would. So there is the change in the tense form of the sentence. And fourth change in the personal pronouns, here is use the I. So in the indirect speech there is the I, and I this personal pronoun, and here is change in the indirect speech, that is he. So I is used for the Amar, so there is used personal pronoun he. And also you is the used for the Sanket, so there is the used him. So there is the change in personal pronoun. Thank you.